whole life. He told us how the Kabaka was suffering from allergy. Then he changed from there.
Which I have, but I don't know.
Recently he told us the Kabaka is in Germany. Not even a month ago, Maiga came out and he told us that Kabaka is in Namibia. Our question is,
why is Namibia?
Why all the countries in the world? Why is in Namibia? We know very well that Kabaka needs medical attention.
Yes.
Kabaka is a sick man.
Yes.
Kabaka has been taken to the country which is very, very hot.
Yeah.
It's a country where you find the Kalahari Desert.
Yes.
Kabaka, coming from Uganda, is not used to that high temperature like in Namibia.
Yeah.
We saw Kabaka in the jungle. Is Maiga planning to tell us that the lions have attacked Kabaka while he was on holiday and he was killed?
Yeah.
We know this is a setup by Maiga and Museveni.
Yes.
We are calling on the Namibian government to stand with the 14 million Baganda and the 45 million Ugandans who are asking for the return of their Kabaka. We want him back safely. We know he's a very ill man, a man who should be in the hospital, not in the jungle in Namibia. I think this message is a clear message, and we hope that Maiga will be responding as our demand. And regarding the Namibian High Commission, we've got a document which we are going to hand over to the ambassador of the High Commissioner of Namibia. Thank you for listening. Awangale Ssaabasajja.
Everyone here, and we wanted to say thank you to them as well. We'll forward this to our authorities back home for the consideration. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we are ending now.
Now we are ending. Thank you.